Put my hands together like prayer, but I'm not a reverend. Excuse me, bitch, you gotta. Yeah, excuse me, miss, you got me in my feelings. I was thinking about my bag last night. She got me right where she want me. I've been sleeping by myself at night, like a sleeping bag. We roll up tight. American Airlines, we take flight. Niggas tryna get me comfortable, but I'm working, bitch. I peep the plot. I don't ever say we game controlling. If you tryna argue, because I spilled a cup of ice. Boy, you niggas Rudy Poo. I go local, Looney Tunes. I've been waiting on a nigga to make a move. She let me dive in her pool. Don't tell me nothing about no scandal with my girl. Just gonna act like I don't know. I'm getting more money than you. Get bold enough to say her name. It might stop a money flow. Risk it for the biscuit if you want to. But don't believe the rumors. I'm not cheating, babe. I'm faithful to you. I've been trying to fill my bank account up just in case I gotta pay a lawyer. She started crying like, babe, don't lie to me. The struggle bring it out of me. Life showed me you gonna lose a lot of money trying to play and get back game. Today's a new day. Stack it and repeat. Stack it up and repeat. Yeah. He won't beef. I guess he think we in a burger. Yeah, he think we in a burger. Yeah. I heard you niggas sharing Yeezys. Okay. It's okay. Faking you. Make lucky you. I'm in with the grind here. I'm not with that taking. Grab my food like bacon, yeah. It's Friday 13. Pop out that water like on Jason. It's Nightmare on Elm Street. My feelings